Senate Bill 8, known as the Fetal Heartbeat Bill, officially takes effect September 1st in Texas, and it is already facing lawsuits. The bill would allow any Texas citizen to sue someone who performs an abortion or aids in the process if a heartbeat is detected in the womb. That usually happens within the first 6 weeks of pregnancy. The damage award could add up to $10,000. Aiding could be anything from giving a car ride to someone receiving the abortion, to giving advice, to donating to clinics that perform abortions. That's why a social worker and a woman who regularly donates to women's health clinics are filing lawsuits against the state.
My specific case regards donors because the aiding and abetting definition, it simply donating to places like Planned Parenthood count as aiding and abetting an abortion.
I've been a social worker for 20 years now. I've worked with sexual survivors throughout my career in various capacities, and it just is absurd to me to think that my work with survivors would cost me $10,000.
These are filed at the state level. There's also a lawsuit against the bill pending federal court filed by 20 abortion providers.